Right now, millions of people wake up every morning with one invisible weight on their chest: a loan payment, a credit bill, a debt they thought would help them, but now controls their life. And here's the painful truth no one teaches in school. Debt can either become the fastest tool to upgrade your life, or the silent reason you stay broke for decades. This channel exists for one reason only: to protect your future money decisions. When you subscribe, you are not joining entertainment. You are joining financial clarity. You are choosing fewer money mistakes, less stress, and more control over your life. So before you ever take another loan, stay with me until the end. Because one decision after this video can change your financial story forever. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever taken a loan with confidence, only to realize months later that it was slowly eating your income? At first, it feels manageable. The monthly payment seems small. The bank sounds friendly. The approval feels like progress. But then life happens. Prices rise, income stays the same. One payment becomes two. Two becomes stress, and stress becomes regret. Here is where most people get confused. They believe all debt is bad. Or worse, they believe all debt is normal. Both beliefs are dangerous. Because debt itself is not the enemy. Ignorance is. Some people use debt to build freedom. Others use debt to buy comfort. And comfort today often becomes pain tomorrow. This video is not here to scare you. It is here to separate smart debt from self-destruction. Debt is a tool, just like fire. In the right hands, fire cooks food and keeps you warm. In the wrong hands, it burns everything. The question is never, should I take a loan? The real question is, what will this debt give me back? If debt only takes from your future income, it is dangerous. If debt helps you increase your future income, it can be powerful. Most people never ask this question. That is why debt controls their life instead of serving it. So, when does taking debt actually make sense? Debt makes sense only when it does at least one of these things. First, it increases your income. Examples include education or skills that directly improve your earning power, a business loan with clear cash flow, or tools that help you produce more value. If the loan helps you earn more than it costs, it works for you. Second, it buys appreciating or productive assets. Some assets grow or generate income over time, while others only lose value. Smart debt is tied to assets that pay you back. And third, it has a clear exit plan. Smart debt always has a timeline, a repayment strategy, and a backup plan. If you cannot explain how this debt ends, you are already in danger. Now, let's talk about the loans that quietly ruin lives. The first is lifestyle debt. This is borrowing to look successful instead of becoming successful. Phones, weddings, vacations, luxury upgrades. These loans create zero income but demand full repayment. Next is emotional debt. This is borrowing because of pressure, comparison, or impatience. Trying to match someone else's lifestyle using borrowed money is financial self-sabotage. And finally, high-interest consumer debt. Credit cards and short-term loans grow faster than your income. The interest works harder than you do. And here is the brutal truth. If your income stays the same, debt will always win. Before signing any loan document, ask this: will this debt still help me if my income drops by 30%? If the answer is no, the debt is too risky. Strong finances are built on resilience, not optimism. Banks approve loans based on today. You must survive tomorrow. Most people are not bad with money. They are just never taught how money actually works. Debt promises relief, but discipline creates freedom. The richest people are not those who borrow the most. They are the ones who borrow with intention and repay with control. If this video helped you see debt differently, press the like button. It tells the algorithm that financial education matters. Subscribe to this channel if you want fewer money mistakes and stronger financial decisions. And hit the bell icon because one video at the right time can save you years of regret. Share this with someone who is about to take a loan. You might protect their future more than you realize. Debt does not ruin lives. Uninformed decisions do. Before you borrow, pause. Before you sign, think. Before you commit, ask what this debt gives back. Because money mistakes are expensive. But financial wisdom is priceless. Stay smart. Stay in control. And I will see you in the next video.